Hey, what's up guys? It's Nick Pfeiffer here and I'm shooting a little bit of a different video because I want to help people make money in 2023 without being dependent on a boss or an employer or anything like that. And here's how you do it. You need to focus on one thing and one thing only. You need to focus on helping small businesses solve a problem. And that problem is, where are their next customer coming from? If you can solve that problem for a business, you will never have to worry about how you make money again, okay? And so I'm going to be creating a free training to show people who have never done this before how to create and launch a growth partner agency. Notice I didn't say a marketing agency because marketing agencies suck. They fall short on so many levels. They either are focused on creating designs and pretty things and not on revenue, or they're focused on generating leads. And so creating a growth agency, a growth partner agency, where you can go to a small business and help them grow their business. If you want to do this for yourself and so that you can help other small businesses, this is what you do. You can join my training. It's gonna be completely free for 3 days. I'm gonna show you how to build and launch an agency in less than 3 days and get your first client before you spend $1 on the one and only software tool that you're gonna need to do this. So if that sounds like something that you'd be interested in, click on the link in the description down below and I'll see you inside of the training.